Okay, guys, so welcome to Gyeedu Tutors once again, and kindly share, like, and subscribe. Okay, so we have this question here. This is a set question under set calculation. Okay, so if you have a question like this, it's very easy. Don't skip. Let's start. So first of all, if you have a question like this, you want to square both sides to get rid of the set. Okay, but to make things easier for us, we have to place it in a position where you can easily square and cancel out each easy. Okay, so we send minus root of b plus 2 to the other side. When you get to this side, you square both sides. So now, when you square this side, just to cancel the roots, so we have what? B minus 3, which is equal to 5 plus 2. Same for this side, 5 plus 2. When you are done with this side, you break them down at the right hand side. So here, 5 goes to this, 5 goes to this. And same for this side, root of b plus 2 multiplies 5, and root of b plus 2 multiplies this side. So now we're going to get 5 times 5 is 25, plus 5 times root of b is 5 root of b plus 2. Same for this. And now root of b plus 2 times root of b plus 2. It becomes square, which can get rid of the root. So now we have what? B plus 2. Okay. When you get to this side, you can do like this. So now we have 25 like b plus 2. So now we have 27 like b. These are the same set, so you can add them. Getting what? 10 root of b plus 2. So now we move this one to the other side. This is b at the positive side. If it goes to the other side, it becomes minus b. And b minus b is what? 0. So now we have minus 3 minus 27, which is equal to 10 root of b plus 2. When you get here, we're going to get what? Minus 30 is equal to 10 root of b plus 2. You can divide both sides by 10. So divide by 10. So now you get what? Minus 10, which is equal to root of b plus 2. Okay. So when you get to the side, let's continue from this side. So from this side, you square this side. You square both sides. So now we have minus 30 squared, which is equal to squared. So now we get 9, which is equal to b plus 2. When you get this side, group like this, we have 9 minus 2, which is equal to b. Therefore, b is equal to 7. So guys, this question is very, very easy. If you see it, don't skip. Okay. Thank you.